Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix if your WhatsApp account is temporarily banned. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If you have violated any of the terms and conditions of WhatsApp, your account will be temporarily banned into WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you what can we do in this case. So watch this video till the end. Now just simply open any of the web browser into your phone, and after that search for whatsapp.com and go to this site. Then scroll down to the very bottom and you will find this contact us button in the need help section. Click into that contact us button. After that you will find this WhatsApp Messenger support in the top. Click into that contact us into WhatsApp Messenger support. After that, it will open up this page for you. You just simply have to select your country code and enter your phone number, and after that enter your email address and confirm email address into here. After that, select your platform that you use such as Android, iPhone, web or desktop. Last and very important part, enter your message into here. In this box, you have to explain your issue into here. Just simply explain your issue completely and after that click to this next button. Then it will lead you to this tab. Now you just simply have to click into this send question button. Then your question will be sent to the WhatsApp support team and it will review your request and then send you a mail into your mailbox. Then after that, if you haven't violated any of the terms and policy of WhatsApp, your temporary ban in WhatsApp will be removed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.